Hi everyone, it's June and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I put my topper in. I install it, well, I put it in my head with clips and I'm going to beach wave it. So here's my hair. I put a little bit of eyeshadow in the front just to create a hairline of some sort because I have a very thin hairline. I have my 5x5 topper. Yes, I do. This is my 5x5. It looks a little thicker because I put an extra track of hair in it that I had gotten from Uniwigs. So, because I wanted a little bit thicker. So here we go, guys. This is going to be a middle part today. Well, sort of middle. Like that. Oh, sure. I think I need a haircut because my topper is shorter than my hair, but that's okay because we can blend that in. It's going to look great with the beach curls. Yeah. So I have, look how nice that looks, right? So I have my curling iron getting nice and hot. Okay, so let's see if I can do this. I'm not a curling iron kind of girl. Okay, so you go like this, right? Go to the bottom, and we're going to curl. I'm missing some, but that's okay. Just like that. You can get those others later. So just gonna put some beach curls in here. Wait like 15 seconds. And that's it. And that's what my hair and the topper hair together. So I'm gonna do some more. Look, wait. The clipper has to be on the bottom if you want it to go away from your face. See? Do it like that. I'm really not that good at this, but and you guys see? Look, cute little waves. I'm not going to straighten them out. You know, like run my fingers through them yet. They don't have to go all the way up. Never do I wear my part in the middle, and I actually like it. I do like it. See? I'm going to take some hairspray and just spray the curls. Just like that. Just a little bit. I'm going to let it sit here and then I'll run my fingers through it. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. Look how lovely these beach waves are. I don't even feel like I need to put my hands through my hair. I think it'll fall just nice the way it is, you know? But look how nice. It makes my hair look shorter, which I love. I love this length. Very Kardashian length. I love it. And I love how my glasses look. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Where are my dollar hoops? That's what I need, even though you're not going to see them. But, oh, my gosh. I think I'm definitely going to part my hair in the middle more often. I really like it a lot. How do you like it? Let me know, comment below. Please like this video, share it. And if you want to know where to get the topper from, I'll put the link down below. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, now where to go with this beautiful hair. Look at that. You cannot even tell. Look how my hair meshes in with the topper. So nice. All right, there's pics to follow at the end. So just, oh, I love, oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Talk to you guys later.